We're going to do this real quick. So, for one, who here's used the scale before? All right. So the very first thing you're going to do, guys, pay attention, start writing this down. Very first thing you do after you put your bowl on, there's a little button right here. It says tare. You put the bowl on and you press tare. That means that it zeroes out the weight of the bowl. I do not want the weight of the bowl in this. Then we're going to do our 180 grams of flour. Cornmeal.
You said 2 grams of corn. You said 60 grams of corn?
It's on there.
I heard 2 and then 60. 180 grams of flour.
This is all on there. Then I'm adding my salt. My baking powder. Then my butter.
Exactly. Calm down.
You're going to have this video to watch.
No.
Right now, everything's just going in here. How much butter am I putting in?
20 grams.
Very good. It's my 20 grams of butter. So you're going to add all of your ingredients and your butter. The only thing I'm not adding to this bowl is my milk. That's it. That's the only thing I haven't added yet. Just how fast it can go. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my fingertips and I'm going to break this butter into this and while I mix it. I want little bits of butter all in here. Then I'm making my well like I did my pasta. I'm adding my 135 grams of milk. If this is too dry, add more flour. If it's too wet, add more milk. If it's too dry, add more milk. If it's too wet, add more flour. So what the butter is doing is unlike, who here's had chicken and dumplings before? Do you want your dumplings dense, hard, and chewy, or do you want them light, fluffy, and pillowy? Light, fluffy, and pillowy. That's the reason why we added the butter. The butter helps keep that gluten from forming because it's a fat. We also don't want to mix it too much because I don't want to form a lot of gluten. So I've already got this guy. He is basically ready to go. Now all you're going to do is you can roll these guys up. Make them whatever shape you want. I'm making little pucks, just for plating's sake. You can weigh them out. I typically do about 60 grams each. If you want to add some of your Cajun spice to these, go for it. This is just a base. If you want to switch out milk for chicken stock because you want them chickeny, go for it. These are going to be relatively bland on their own. That's why we're making a hyper flavorful gravy. This should make about 6 to 7 dumplings. But make sure you break that butter in. Again, it is not melted butter. This is called the biscuit method. They do not take that long. These take very, very short amount of time to do. Because we're going to do a second part of these guys. So this is what you're going to make the day before. It's nice, lovely little cloud dumplings. Now the fun part, because right now these are kind of mushy, not a lot of texture. So we're going to add a little bit of texture to them. So after I pull them out, so they've floated, they've cooked probably for about 5, maybe 10 minutes total. I'm just getting my oil up and hot. While my oil's heating, notice how I clean as I don't need a lot of this stuff out anymore, so I can move it out of my way. We've got that oil up to temp. It's got a little bit of those like whiffs of smoke. I'm not going to, because you can do these in batches, do a couple at a time, don't overcrowd the pan. You're going to let this cook naturally. Once they get cooked enough, they will release themselves from the pan. And you're going to flip them to the other side. It's going to be about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. This will just give us that little bit of texture. I will let you try these. I promise they aren't that flavorful because they're all about soaking up all that other sauce and everything. Like, that guy turned out beautifully. They're not burnt.
No, they're not burnt.
Did what not burn?
They're not burnt.
No.